I'm really glad that you talked about that because I think there's a lot of fear around what AI brings. And I like to dispel that fear. And I think that's also kind of where Sage's mindset is in this. Why do you think there is that fear that that the general community has, but the but accountants have? And how do we get past that? And how do we really focus on that force multiplier?
I think it's because it's something new to a lot of people. I think the media plays a big role in spreading that fear. And I think it's because, it's not something we really know what we need to do with it. I think the moment you start experimenting with AI and seeing what it can actually do for you, you do start seeing the benefits. And I think the finance industry is just one of those industries that really leans itself to, like I said, replace the mundane, repetitive tasks with something more exciting and more uplifting. Um, we want humans to do the thinking work, to have the strategic decisions that need to be made in the business. Whilst we've got things like AI and automation taking care of transactional activities.